Hello, my name's Alex. I'm a BMW Motorrad trained technician here at Halliwell Jones. Today I'm going to talk to you about the service inclusive plans. We've got two plans available. First one is for 3 years up to 18,000 miles, whichever comes first, and the second one 5 years up to 30,000 miles, whichever comes first. And these can be taken out on any bike up to 10 years old. If you buy a brand new bike, you also get your first service included. You can purchase your plan whenever you buy a new or used bike from Halliwell Jones, or also if you already own a bike, you can do it on the day of your service or in advance. For more information, go to the Halliwell Jones Motorrad website or call in to the service desk and speak to Joel or John. Thank you.